So I've got a bit of timber under here, which makes it easy to get the tool in. You put it in there like that, just turn it up. You just got to try and make sure when you're doing that you don't tear the sheet. So you don't quite go all the way to a 90-degree angle, because if you do that you'll tear the sheet. That's at about 70 degrees and that's perfect. If you do tear the sheet down to the bottom there, then you'll need to put a heap of silicone in there just to protect it so that no water gets underneath the flashing and gets in. Okay, and the other side will turn down. Now this side actually doesn't matter if you tear the sheet. It probably works out better if you do, because then you get more of a drip edge on it.